Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Junior Cup mare jong ka 5th Sohra International Half Marathon Arhajar Arpuhan Rio, Pynlong haka South Tarik Nailur Arhajar Arpuhan Rio, but on ailat tang khatwe hajar ngut kinong shimbenta nagaling kari but kibana bari. Ya kani ka Junior Cup lapya halaki jong ki Kyrteng kata ka 21K Elite Open khat pras nem shaning kumju 21K Meghalayan Open nagbenta khat pras nem shaning ka 10K Meghalayan Open khat pras nem hadu hapo South Host nem 10K Meghalayan Open South Host nem hadu hapo Sanfusan nem but ka 10K Meghalayan Open Sanfusan nem shaning ya kani ka Junior Cup lapnya da ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association but ka Meghalaya Athletics Association haringkat ka jingkar shanlang ka tanat yalekai jong ka sarkar jila kumbalong ha usnam rala ya kani ka Junior Cup lamang ban pendut lai klur tingka kibor penyat kilet hu balakanti ka khusnam pisa na ka benta ka 21K Elite ka balong lailak arlak bat shilak ya ki bawan baningkong baar bat balai but sanpho hajar tingka ya ki sangut ki bawan consolation
Saya berlatih mentasnya minum si menteri pelat yang khabwe hajar di gerpa debar agi basi mentah kin register what up yang last date kin register kat ploy kat bala minum sim su hadir badak khabwe hajar what di labu yang last date kat santarik progress the competitive ni race la register biang la theo biang di world athletic la approve bisa astang ban conduct di race lapan ban penyak di Athlete Federation Puro Ujat di Besia di t-shirt di bang di transport itu di Besia Muslim jadi kermen di Muslim mengaku prize money la pengkiu tang dan tagi elite 21 naga kalau arsha naga silap steng segala lain arlak wat silap di way ba lo ini kunju kini ini constellation sampusan Muslim jidrom di video buat ya ki run for fun as pamut kuya lagi gift ibagina mengi handla stang race kermen kompetitif bagi volunteer so mitailang bagi senang do so play ada mau smai tergalong sa bajak ipun maki bisurok mai dek bro mitailang bagi senang bagi dio Tubaro ikam bukila ya ibenti kermen iba entau senam bro kan don jinge Kemudian beliau jenjok nang baga nam do nagalaya Sohra ro tanpa kuma medal so ngela sna do and the root bridge is engraved with the root bridge to promote the tourism for nagalaya so nagalaya ni la sang nanti ba la punya federation ni nda problem nda no what to check di chip ko bidai boleh timing technology Hyderabad ini baru kita ada kerja ketum kat rule an juga international organization.
1st of July till the 15th of August. But if the total numbers reach 11,000 before 15 August, the portal will be closed. So everyone who want to register, they can go to the MSUA website, Meghalaya Olympic Association.com. From there, landing page is there for the Sohra run. It will be live from 1st of July. So everyone can go there, but just to inform you, like once you log in there, like all the details you'll have to fill up, and after your payment is successful, then your registration is confirmed. So I request everyone, like your registration is confirmed only after payment is made. So please make sure, because some of them they just fill and then they thought of paying it later. That will not happen. So once you fill, means payments have to be done, so that your registration will confirm. So I request everyone to please take care of this. And then out there also we have given all the rules and regulations regarding the run. A consent form is there where you have to tick it before you make payment. So
the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, very delighted use of organizes MSO and Manila Athletic Association in organizing the film Sohra International Marathon successfully. We are very eager and looking forward for the grand and exciting and prestigious events in the state. This time we're expecting even more participation from outside the country and from the elite runners because the course will also be certified by a world body called AIMS. So we're really looking forward for more participation from the best runners in the country. So we're ready to support NSCs in whatever way we can. For the expenditure also, fund has already been earmarked. Last year the expenditure was approximately 3 crores. So we're earmarking the same amount for this year's event. So really looking forward for this exciting and prestigious event in the state of Meghalaya and in this beautiful place, Sohra. That is all from my side.
Helpline will be there. Once you go to the website, if you log into our page, helpline number is there. So you can, any queries, anything is there, you can contact these people. They will help you with registration. If you have any issue with your payment or registration, you can contact those number. They will be there 24/7 to assist you.